So right now we're about to do the installation of the panels that we just got them wrapped. So what we need to do, we need to take all of these panels off. So we need to start from the bottom over here, take them out carefully so you don't break them. That's how they break. It's just how you take them out. So we're going to take all of them off. We're going to start from the bottom over here and then go all the way up. You take these ones off, and that's how you're going to be able to get this one off. And then do the same thing, start from this one, install it, then go all the way down. So yep, so let's start by taking them off and then finish off with the installation. You can also use this was in the set of the clips. So this one is off. You can do the same to the other side. So this one was broken. No need to worry about this. That's why we are replacing it. Same with the other side. So this is the same procedure you'd use if you want to replace your radio. This was the first ever video I did, replacing this Android radio. So if you haven't watched it, just check it out. So lastly, what you need to do is to take this part off, which is easy. You just unclip it from up top over here. And then make sure you take this part. So you just press on that clip over there. You just press in. Then you take it off. And you have this part off. You're just gonna clean this place up.